Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hair Connections. Today I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how I make my Neem clay face mask. I've been using it for a while to get rid of the acne on my forehead and on my cheeks, and it's really helped. It hasn't got rid of every single acne and every single dark spot on my face, but it's helped me reach this goal of having clearer skin. So let's go, guys. Hi guys, so some quick tips before we get into the tutorial. Firstly, this is for all skin types, preferably acne prone skin. This can deal from dry to sensitive to oily to combination, because Neem is a very excellent product for all of these skin types. I'm telling you that again, Neem is the bomb, okay? Another thing is, if you don't want to test this on your face, please just test it on your elbow. Your elbow has the same skin sensitivity as your face, so if you're not too sure, just put it on your elbow, leave it for 10 minutes. If there's no irritation, it works on your face. You won't get any breakouts on your face. The next thing is the affordability. Everything within this clay mask should be under £10. It shouldn't be too expensive. If you're buying high quality and luxurious items, then obviously it's gonna be a little bit more, but that should be the average if you're like a normal person. So I think that's it. I think you know if you can take it, if you can't take it, if you're a bit too unsure, just put on your elbow and try it out. And let's get into the tutorial now. Bentonite clay is deeply cleansing and helps remove toxins from my skin. Neem is all about evening skin tone, removing acne and protecting the skin from UV rays. Apple cider vinegar really helps balance the pH and stimulate circulation of the skin, and it also helps reduce acne breakouts. Tea tree oil is all about stopping the swelling and redness. Honey, I use it to speed up my skin cells healing process. Cinnamon is optional, and that's what I use just to help with skin blemishes. Lavender is also optional, and this is what I use to help reduce acne and wrinkles within my skin. All done, guys. Now this is about applying it onto my skin for about 15 to 45 minutes tops, no longer than that. And I'm just washing it off with some water. I also wash off with honey because that helps. You can also use your own cleanser at home. And this is my end look. Final look, guys. Hopefully you can see that it does smooth and even up your skin. What I did use after I used my face mask, I quickly used some rose water. I sprayed it on my face, got my face nice and saturated with this toner. I use this as my toner, rose water. I then use some Rodial snake eye cream. I have been using this eye cream for about a month now on my eyes to try and lessen the dark circles. And then from a black owned company, Sheabutter Cottage, I am using their Balance Facial Serum. I've been using this for about a year now, and I really do love it, and I love the smell of this. The smell of this is amazing. Only use it on my face. So all of that on my face, and now I have this nice after effect. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you enjoyed going through the tutorial with me. I really do love this mask, and I do think it helps clear up acne, and it does help clear up dark spots. Nothing's ever going to be perfect. Like your man, he's not perfect. He just is. So I hope that you do try it out and let me know what you think. And also, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Yeah.